Guitar pedals live a rough life. Show them some love with MusicNomad's 12-piece guitar pedal care kit that includes everything you need to clean and care for your pedals. A properly maintained and clean guitar pedal can improve your sound while protecting the investment of your guitar pedal. Step up your game with our pedal hex wrench and screwdriver set. Designed and engineered with the 7 most popular guitar pedal hex wrench sizes, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14, and 15 millimeter, and the half-inch to adjust nuts on jacks, pots, and switches on both vintage and modern pedals. The reversible blue hex wrench contains both the 10mm and 11mm sizes and fits in all the tight spots on pedals. The most popular guitar pedal screwdriver bit sizes include Phillips number 1 and number 2, Flat-head 2.5mm, and Allen keys 1/16 inch, 1.5mm, and 2mm, for tiny knob set screws and any screws to open pedal parts. Our JackPot Contact Cleaner with DeoxIT is specially made for electronics. It removes oxidation, improves conductivity, stops scratchy and intermittent signals, and prevents future damage. Works great for guitar pedal jacks, pots, and foot switches, plus any music gear with electronics, such as guitar output jacks, guitar amp input jacks, recording equipment, and more. Use our ergonomic and custom-designed jack and pot cleaning brush with our cleaner to safely clean inside the jacks and pots. Better than a contact cleaner alone, the brush gets into all the crevices and removes the oxidation safely without soaking the inside of the pedal. The stiff fibers are the perfect tensile strength, and the ergonomic twist handle design is so comfortable in your hand and efficient for cleaning. Our guitar pedal detailer easily removes dirt, dust, sweat, and smudges on the outside of the pedal like no other product. It even smells amazing. The microfiber suede cleaning cloth is specially designed to work with our guitar pedal detailer and contains 90,000 microfibers per square inch. Our lint-free cloth is perfect for cleaning and protecting your guitar pedal. It all comes in a handy organizational case, so don't lose it or loan it. You'll look forward to the next time you care for your pedals. To check out all our products, go to MusicNomadCare.com.